Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make tuna taste good. Start by draining and patting tuna dry, then season simply with salt and pepper. Mix in mayo, lemon juice, and a touch of mustard for brightness. Fold in crunchy celery or pickles for texture and balance. Taste and adjust acidity or salt, and finish with fresh herbs for an easy, tasty tuna you will actually look forward to eating. Build a dependable flavor base that suits your cravings and meal plan. Combine mayo and lemon for creamy tang, or swap mayo for olive oil and vinegar for a lighter profile. Add mustard, herbs, or chopped capers for extra character. If you like heat, a few drops of hot sauce or sriracha lift the whole mix. Taste as you go and balance salt and acidity until the tuna sings with flavor. Texture makes simple tuna exciting and satisfying to eat. Include crunchy bits like celery, red onion, or toasted almonds for contrast. For creaminess, fold in diced avocado or chopped boiled egg. Pickles or capers add pops of tang while fresh herbs brighten each bite. Gently fold ingredients so tuna retains pleasant chunks instead of becoming mushy, and serve chilled or slightly warm depending on your preference.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.